Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool. So where you can have all the different kinds of templates and also having a chatbot, ChatGPT, that is ChatGPT like chatbot and also chat PDF tool. So all in one AI tool, we can say it as all in one AI tool for our research paper writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different kinds of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Wrizzle AI. So there are 4 different options in this Wrizzle AI: AI Writer, AI Detector, AI Humanizer, Chat PDF option. So first we will discuss about this AI Writing option, AI Writer option. So in this Writer option, so here instantly write high quality content for purpose articles, blogs. So you can give an input prompt, and you can generate answer. So here these are the different things. Regarding tone, formal, professional, friendly, direct, conversational, academic, like that. So I am going to give an academic. So here I am going to give an input research prompt like this: make a literature review on recent trends in cyber security. So like that you can give an input prompt. So and then you can click on generate. So it's like a chat GPT like chatbot. So you can give any input prompt, so it will generate answer for you. So here in this you can see that the result is generated. Literature review, recent trends in cyber security, introduction. So this is the introduction for this literature review. First one is evolving threat landscape. So here you can see with proper citations, so it is generating the review. So next one is related with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Next one is zero trust architecture, cloud security challenges, human factor and cyber security regulation and compliance, conclusion. So these are the references. Please make sure that the references generated by this particular AI tool is correct or not. So this is how a perfect literature review is generated using this Wrizzle AI. So like that you can use this Wrizzle AI like a chatbot. So if you are struggling to give perfect prompts for your research paper, so here comes our AI templates. So these are the different categories of AI templates: general writing, text optimization, marketing and business, personal. So here you can see in general writing you can see article writer, AI text generator, essay writer, story generator, paragraph writer, email writer, lyric generator, poem generator, title generator, meta description generator. So these are the different options are available. So in order to optimize the text, you can see paraphrasing tool, rewriter, acronym generator, text summarizer, grammar checker, AI translator, paragraph rewriter, sentence rewriter, passive to active converter. So for example, if you want to use this template, so you can copy and paste any content here. So for example, if you want to copy and paste any content, so here you can paste the content here. So you will try out with some prompts. So for example, I am going to take a sentence, a random sentence. So just a minute. I'm going to give a renewable energy. So you can copy this sentence and go to Wrizzle AI. You can paste this. So here convert. So automatically the active voice text for that will be converted. So whenever you are struggling to convert a perfect sentence or improve the quality of your research paper, so you can use this kind of options in order to convert, and also this will help you to reduce plagiarism also. So this is how you can use this kind of templates. So these are the different templates available in this particular tool Wrizzle AI. So apart from this, you will be having AI Detector. So here in this AI Detector you can copy and paste the content generated by AI tool. So after that, so it will generate how much it is AI generated and how much it is human written content. So this is humanizer AI text, so you can paraphrase your text using this option. So instead of using Quillbot or any other common tools, we often use it to do paraphrasing. So you can use this kind of tool to paraphrase your content. So this will help you to paraphrase your content, so or humanize your content. So you have to enter at least 30 words in order to humanize your content. So automatically your content will be humanized. So let us check with some examples. So for example, so I am going for a random journal, so I am going to take some random sentences. So here copy this one, go to Wrizzle AI, paste this and just click on humanize. So here you cannot use this for free, so you have to go for upgrade option for to use this humanized content. So here it also having chat PDF option. So in this chat PDF, as like we do in many of the AI tools, like you can upload your document and you can chat with that particular document and ask any questions you want related with that particular document. So this option will be very useful for you to make literature review or to analyze any reference papers for your research paper writing. So this is how you can use this Wrizzle AI. Hope you can get an idea about this Wrizzle AI. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.